Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have exciting news to share with you today. I released this morning my very first ebook on Gumroad. It's a compilation of what I consider to be some of my very best figure drawings, gesture drawings, anatomy studies, and painting exercises. I put this together with the hopes that you guys can see the journey that I've taken in the last few years in my efforts to better my understanding of the human figure and just to get better at drawing in general. I've included a lot of figurative work, but I've also included some animal gestures and vehicle gestures and different exercises that I've done in the last 3 years to get better. I really hope that you find it helpful, and at the very least, maybe it'll provide you with some inspiration to keep drawing yourselves and doing your exercises every day, and know that you're not alone, and we're all in that journey together. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this, and again, I want to thank you for all the support, all the feedback, the likes, comments. It really means a lot, and I'll just keep trying to create more content and hope the quality gets better and better over time. So thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, bye.